this is the DIY Magician with a quick, easy to do prop. Now, I was doing this video for my Glue Gun Will Travel episode on the DIY Magician project page. That's the one for everybody. This is the secret one for magicians and entertainers. I know some of you have done different caps for lie detectors or what have you. This is just a quick idea. I took a Dollar Tree mixing bowl and a 99-cent only light, and I think it comes from the 99 or the Dollar Tree as well. Just a quick light like that, and a hot glue gun, and a bunch of little components that I've taken off of projects when I do my disassemble it videos. And I've added it to the bowl just like that, kind of added it in kind of a haphazard way, and I've come up with a fun, easy to do project to come up with a lie detector or thinking cap like I use it like this. Anything you want to use it for, it's pretty cheap and easy to do if you have old electronics laying around. That's it, just a quick little video. Enjoy making your own. Till next time.